Hello children, how are you? We are back with our second video of your EVS textbook Looking Around. Hope you learned from the previous video. We are here today with the second video of the fourth lesson of your EVS textbook. The name of the lesson is Our First School. At the end of this video, you will know about the different festivals you celebrate with your family, where all the family members come and visit. You will identify the relationship with and among family members. You will develop respect and love for the elderly persons of your family, like your grandparents, and you'll be able to answer small questions on relation names. Before we start our learning, let's remember what we studied in our previous video. You learnt about the names and the relations of your family members. You also learned that your first school is your family. You came to know that you knew many things before coming to school. You also came to know that families are of two types, big and small. Hello children, how are you doing? Are you all playing at home? Children, don't go out during the lockdown. Stay at home, stay safe. Today, we will discuss about the different celebrations and festival that we celebrate with our family. How many of you have celebrated your birthday during the lockdown period? In March? Okay. You're in April? Wow. And you're? Okay, now. Day before yesterday? Very good. Quite a few. How was it? Nice. I feel it was different, as everyone in the family were together. Great fun this time, isn't it? Okay, your mother cooked kheer. Very nice. Amit, your grandparents were also present. Okay, they came and they stayed back because of the lockdown. Reena, your mother made a cake at home itself and you had the party with everything together. Wow. Wow. How lucky you are. Very nice. Another festival where everyone comes to visit our home and we have a very nice time is the Rakhi. Yes, ma'am. Your Bua comes. Okay, and your Mamaji too. How many girls tie Rakhi on your brother's hand? Oh, so many. Reena, why are you smiling? Okay, you go to your cousin's house. Bhaiya gives you many gifts. Great. Nisha, you got celebration chocolate box. You are so lucky. It is so nice. What about Aditi? You got a new frock. Wow. So we see that in Rakhi, all the family members come together. We eat good food. We tie Rakhis. We do puja in the morning. And all of them are happy at the end of the day. One major festival of Hindus is Diwali. Muslims celebrate Eid and Christians celebrate Christmas. In all these festivals, all the family members come together and enjoy together. Diwali is the festival of lights. We decorate our houses with diyas. Everyone wear new clothes and perform the Lakshmi Puja. Okay, Amit, you burn fireworks. Reena, okay, Fulchari. And where's the boy at the back? What you wanted to say? Okay, anar. You burn anar. Children, I wanted to say you something. Never burn fireworks alone. Always burn them in the presence of the elders. Keep a bucket of water nearby and have a safe Diwali. Eid is celebrated by the Muslims. Ahmad, you're so happy. Oh, you remembered the Sevai? Yes. Sevai is the main sweet of Eid. Fahad, you are so excited. Okay, you get Eidi. That's why you like Eid. All children get Eidi from their parents, grandparents, and family members. All members of the family come together on the eve of Eid and they offer prayers in the morning and they hug each other during Eid. Eid is one of the most important festivals of the Muslims. Christmas is the most important festival of the Christians. It is celebrated on 25th of December. It is the happy birthday of Jesus Christ. Deborah is so excited, raising your hand. What happened? Okay, you get gifts at night. Santa comes and gives you a gift. Okay, Amit is also saying something. Yes, Amit. Your dad becomes Santa and keeps gift for you at the bedside at night. Now let's hear what Deborah has to say. Yes, Deborah. You go to the church and a grand fair is held on the Christmas ground. A Christmas cake is made. Okay. You give to the bakery people. They make the cake for you. Cinnamon cake. Okay, walnut cake. So that's your main sweet for Christmas. And we wish everyone Merry Christmas. And we sing those Christmas carol. Yes. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Yes. Very nice. Children, let's do an activity now. Make a list of festivals celebrated in your family. First, you will write the name of the festival, month it is celebrated, special food items cooked, and the family members who visit. Okay. Children, another most important celebration of our family is marriage. All family members join this celebration. Have any of you attended the marriage ceremony of your relatives recently? Your chacha's marriage, your mama's marriage, your bua's marriage or your masi's marriage? Yes. Okay. Reena again wanted to say something. Yes, Reena? You wore a lehenga and the food was awesome. Very nice. See, Amit went in the barat of your mama's marriage. Let's see who are our family members and how they are related to us. Marriage is an occasion for introduction of new members and reconnecting with each other. We meet with all relatives and renew. We know how they are, where they are staying. Here you can see the parents are welcoming the guests and introducing the children. The new children are coming to the marriage ceremony and they are knowing all other family members. The father and the mother are together called parents. Can you recognize them? You met them in the birthday party? Yes, they are the grandfather and grandmother. Father's father is grandfather and father's mother is grandmother. Dadaji and Dadiji. Another set of grandparents are your mother's father and mother's mother. You call them Nanaji and Naniji. How many of you have your Nani ghar nearby? Okay, many of you. You go with your mother to celebrate Rakhi every year. Very good. Usually, our Chachaji and our Tauji visits in every occasion of our family, isn't it? How many of you have got a Tauji? Okay, your father is the eldest brother. Okay, then no Tauji. Now I'll explain you who is Tauji. Tauji is the eldest brother of your father. Those whose father is the eldest brother, you will not have a Tauji. And Tauji's wife is Taiji. Some children call Badi Ma and Bade Papa. Yes. And Chacha, how many of you are having? Okay, most of you. Father's younger brother is called Chachaji. And Chachaji's wife is called Chachiji. So now you have understood it very well. Okay. Mosi is your mother's sister. And her husband is Mosaji. Their children are your cousins. Mama is your mother's brother. And his wife is Mamiji. Neha, you want to say something? Mama always brings sweets and gifts whenever he visits. Every time. So nice. And you also ask for sweets and chocolates from Mamaji. He loves you very much. You're very close to him. Okay, good. This is what your family photo will look like. Grandparents at the center. Your parents, Tauji, Taiji, Chacha, Chachi, you, your siblings and your cousins all will be together. Click a photo with all your members as everyone is at your home during the lockdown period and send it to your class teacher. Children, here's a diagram of a family tree. You can see the grandfather and the grandmother. In this picture are your Nana and your Nani because they are the father of your mother and your Mamaji. Then you are the children of your father and your mother, sister, me and brother. You three are together. And your Mamaji and your Mamiji, that's uncle and aunt, have two children. They are your cousins. Many a times at your home, you do something wrong and you also get scolding from your Dadi ji or Nani ji, they are angry at you. Then what do? You say sorry to them. They will say, we will not eat the food today. Then what you will do? Let's see a movie clip in which the grandchildren, how they are pampering their dadima. Did you see the song? Dadi amma manja. We always pamper and love our grandparents. And that is why in our schools also, Grandparents' Day is celebrated every year. We do so many dance, song and programs. We also make a selfie point for our grandparents. And you children come to school. Sometimes you participate in cultural programs. Sometimes you sit and see. And we have a great celebration of the grandparents in our school. Grandparents' Day is one of the most important days of our school. On that day, we specially respect all grandparents and share their life's experiences in front of everyone. Now let's revise what we have learned till now. Let's see we can do it or not. Match the following. Father's mother. What do we call our father's mother? Right, Dadi ji. Father's sister. This we did not do, but you must be knowing. Yes, Bua ji. Mother's father. Okay, Nana ji. Mother's brother. Yes, Mama ji. Father's brother. Chacha ji. Mother's sister. Mausi. And father's father. Dadaji. Great. Very nice. One more activity for you children. You'll be doing it on your own. You'll write down the names of any two members of your family and their relationship. Like you'll write your name and your sister's name, and the relationship is brother and sister. Similarly, you'll be doing all the relationship in this page. Okay? There is an activity for you, children. This is a very interesting activity. You can draw a tree, color it, and paste pictures of your family members in it, and click it and send it to your EVS madam. You can do one more thing. You can make a collage of your family members in the phone itself. You can click pictures of your family members. They are at home. During the lockdown period, everyone is at home. And then you make a collage in the phone itself. And then you can send it to your EVS madam. Okay, children? That's all for you in this video, children. Make a list of the work you are doing to help your parents during the lockdown period, and take good care of you. Stay indoors, stay safe. I am leaving you with a beautiful song. Enjoy it. Till then, bye and have a nice day.